Feel love, 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 feel love.
Hi guys, look what I got here. Brand new BRP Can Am RYKER. RYKER as a combination of with Spider and rYde. Before I will start, big thanks to the Slovak importer of BRP products, company called Imagex. Not only big thanks that they gave me the bike, as you know, one of very few in the world to be able to test the RYKER. Link to the Slovak importer, it's down in my video description. So in case you are from this region and you would like to, buy ATVs, scooters, whatever from BRP products, check their link. In today's video, I'll tell you everything I have learned in this quick testing half a day I have received. I'm having 600 and 900 cc, so I'll tell you about engines. I'll tell you for whom is the bike really designed for. What are the pros, what are the cons, what are the really interesting things, what they have been able to come up with. Definitely, I have tested 600 and 900 cc in acceleration, of course, and top speed as well. But that's the different video and should be popping up somewhere. I was really thinking how to politically correct say if the RYKER it's a bike for spider rider. If you are really true spider rider, would you go to the showroom? Would you really buy one? Possible, but I don't think BRP is really targeting us as their customers. Who is really the target? And I was on their presentation and it really makes a lot of sense. There are young people who are either entering the market of motorcycling and to buy their first moto, and they would like to be different. They would like to customize things because the basic logic is you can buy the bike black on black as a basic and you can customize it on your own. Like you can add these red things, you can have this, you can change a lot of things. And listen to this. I think it's more than 78,000 of different combinations how the bike can look like. They will have an app where you can have a look on your bike and modify whatever you want. And if you will be buying things, you are not buying them like with a spider, like I have bought new exhaust, so I have to buy a stock exhaust, and then I have to extra buy a new item. So physically I was receiving stock exhaust and Akrapovic exhaust. With this bike, basically when you buy it as a black on black and you would like to have a new, more luxurious looking piece of plastic somewhere, you will pay only the difference. And I'm slowly getting to the price. This bike starts with a magical number, 9,000. In America, you can go a little bit lower or something in this ballpark. In Slovakia, it's gonna be a little bit under 10,000 euros. What you definitely have to choose at the beginning, you have to choose the motorization. So either you go for 600 Ace 47 horsepower, or you can go, and it's 2-cylinder, or you can go for 900 Ace, which is 77 horsepower. And there will be two options. This is a basic model, but there will be also a rally model that will be a little bit higher, and also it will have additional engine mode. I think it should be called rally mode. I haven't seen it, so I don't want to promise you something that will be in there. 600cc don't have engine modes, doesn't have a different map. The 900cc has eco, eco off, and sport mode. As I said, I have a video about acceleration and comparison between 600 and 900 in sport mode and in normal mode. So have a look on the video. That's about the engine. Now, how the power is transmitted to the rear wheel. Forget about upshifting and downshifting. It has. Sorry, I would like to call it the right way. It's automatic transmission, but it's called drive shaft. So that's quite a big difference. I'm sitting on the bike, so next thing comes to my head, how comfy is the sitting? You are sitting a little bit lower than on a F3, at least I have the impression. And you know, I'm big whale, so always important for me is like how good I feel on the bike. And you know, the F3 was the first model that they have introduced UFIT system. Well, they have moved this bike to a different level. Is it possible? Yeah, it is. Have a look. You can adjust the UFIT system, or I don't know how they will call it. I don't know if it's still a UFIT, but you can adjust it without any tool. Raise the foot peg and move it to the position where you like. Of course, the braking system remains the same. So you have a foot brake. So how it is on the other side? Well, guess what? You are also with a foot peg, you are moving also the brake. An additional thing to it is you can adjust the angle of the brake. Now, towards the rails, same thing. Undo this and move it forward, backwards. There are like, I don't know, 6 positions where you can simply just hold it without any tools. Another quite nice feature is the fuel tank. Basically, you don't have to unlock it or whatever. You just simply, you know, pull it towards you, and you can directly refill. There is a new display